a long lasting question, depression, expectation of every citizens who lived and who are living, who is going to take part in the democratic republic system of our India, guided by Constitution of India, which was framed under the prominent guidance of Dr. Ambedkar and various legal luminaries, experts from all parts of India. That was question of criminals participating in the elections. There was a judgment directing the political parties to widely give publication about their candidates' criminal records. And that was violated. An advocate by name Brijesh Singh moved a contempt application that was decided with various guidelines. This is AR 2021 Supreme Court 4069. Brijesh Singh vs. Sunil Arora and others. Section Representation of People Act, Section 8, Election. Petitioner seeking suspension of recognition of political parties for contravention of order of court. Such direction would amount to entering into legislative hence cannot be issued. But however, direction to political parties to disclose criminal antecedents of its candidate and reason to nominate candidate. Reasons given by parties are mostly same for all candidates, are given in very mechanical manner, which amounts to contempt of court. There were first elections which were conducted after issuance of directions. By taking lead, Supreme Court warned parties to be cautious in future. Political parties who are partially complied with direction are directed to deposit is 1 lakh and who did not follow direction at all are required to deposit 5 lakhs in account created by ECI. Then Section 8, criminalization of politics, right of information of voter to become more effective and meaningful. Political parties are to publish information regarding criminal antecedent of candidates on homepage of their websites. See, this judgment running multi-number of pages, giving various particulars, various procedures, various sections of people's of representative election commission's rules. The reason given by almost all political that there is possibility of winning the elections by the candidate alone. Such a fantastic deduction to get over this Supreme Court directions. That is what say. Nation continues to wait and is losing patience. This is most important. Cleansing the polluted stream of politics is obviously not one of the immediate pressing concern of the legislative branch of government. That was they say. That's why the directions were issued. Then they say, assuming a hypothetical situation where a particular symbol is reserved for a particular political party and such a political party set up a candidate in election against whom charges have been framed for heinous and grievous offences, then this is what they say. They say the reasons given, that party has given reasons along the lines of winnability of the selection of candidates. That is what they say. So you go through the judgment. Those who are interested can have the politically interested, socially interested, and if you want the last paragraph, an annexure was enclosed wherein what all are the offences committed by the candidates and which all are pending. You can go through that also, particularly for all political parties. Best wishes I hope the best.